Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
The motivational time management lesson you need right now. Listen closely. Your time is the most valuable thing you own. Not your money, not your talent, not your opportunities. Your time, and every day you get 24 hours. Same as the wealthy, same as the genius, same as the athlete, same as the entrepreneur. But why do some people rise and others stay stuck? Because of how they use those hours. There is a stronger, smarter, wealthier version of you. A version with discipline, a version with peace, a version with success. But that version will only exist if you start respecting your time today. Every task you finish, every hour you protect, every habit you build is a vote for the person you want to become. Your future self is begging you, don't waste today. When you don't manage your time, life manages it for you. You wake up late, you react to everything, you handle emergencies you could have prevented. You end the day feeling guilty, stressed, behind. But when you take control of your hours, stress lowers, confidence rises, goals get clearer, progress becomes natural. You stop surviving and start building. Your morning is your battlefield. If you grab your phone the moment you open your eyes, you lose. If you start your day with random tasks, you lose. If you start slow, you stay slow. But when you start with intention, when you begin with your most important task, when you decide today I move forward, you unlock momentum that lasts the whole day. Great days don't happen by accident, you create them. You know why people procrastinate? Because success is uncomfortable, growth is uncomfortable, discipline is uncomfortable. But guess what? So is staying where you are. So is regret. So is watching your dreams slip away. You have to pick your discomfort. Choose the one that leads to the life you want. Time management is not about doing everything. It's about doing the things that matter consistently. Read 10 pages a day, 3 books in a month, work 1 hour a day on your business, 365 hours in a year, exercise 20 minutes a day, transformed body, save a little every week, financial security. Small actions, compounded daily, become unstoppable. In a world of distractions, focus is rare and powerful. Every time you ignore your phone, every time you say no to useless tasks, every time you protect your peace, you build a mind that can achieve anything. Focus turns average people into extraordinary ones. Tomorrow steals dreams. I will start tomorrow kills more goals than failure ever will. Tomorrow is an illusion. Tomorrow is an excuse. Tomorrow is comfort telling you to wait. But today is real. Today is alive. Today is your chance. Stop waiting for the perfect day. Make today the day you begin. One decision can change your direction. The decision to get serious, the decision to commit, the decision to stop wasting hours on what doesn't matter, the decision to take your life back. You don't need a new year. You don't need motivation. You just need one moment of clarity. I am done with wasting my time. I am building my future starting now. Time management is not about casuals. It's about your identity. It's about becoming the person who shows up, does the work, protects their time, builds their future, honors their potential. You deserve more than average. You deserve more than excuse. You deserve a life you're proud of. And it all begins with how you use your hours. Start today, not tomorrow, not someday. Today is the day you rise. The story of the 2 hours. Every morning before sunrise, a young man named Aaron walked past an old bench in the park on his way to school. And every morning he saw the same old man sitting there, watching the empty sky. One day, Aaron finally asked, "Why do you sit here so early?" "There's nothing to see." The old man smiled gently. "There is something to see," he said. "I'm watching the 2 hours that changed my life." Aaron frowned. 2 hours? The old man nodded. "When I was your age, I wasted my days, slept late, procrastinated, made excuses. Then one morning I decided to wake up 2 hours earlier just to see what would happen." "And what happened?" Aaron asked. The old man looked at him with bright eyes. "I started winning." He explained, "In those 2 quiet hours before the world woke up, I worked on myself. I read, I planned, I learned skills, I exercised. And slowly those 2 hours became the most powerful part of my life." He tapped his chest. "Those hours built the person I am today." Aaron sat beside him, listening closely. The old man leaned in and whispered, "Your life won't change in one day, but you can change 1 hour of your day, and that will change everything." Aaron looked at the sky the way the old man did. For the first time, he understood. The old man stood and began to walk away. Before leaving, he turned back and said, "Give yourself 1 hour every day. Use it for something that matters. Your future self will thank you for it." That night, Aaron set his alarm, and the next morning, while the world slept, he sat on the bench watching his first powerful hour begin. And from that day forward, Aaron never wasted his mornings again.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.